Julian Meir from Automated Marking, coming to you with another technical tutorial. I want to explain another very important parameter when setting up our systems, and that's print repeat value and delay as it pertains to where the print head is situated to where an external photo eye is situated. So for this example, what I've done is I've moved the print head and the photo cell 330 millimeters away from each other. What this means effectively is that if you have a print delay where the box is coming underneath that printer and it's first passing through the photo eye, it means that between this time and this time here, it's 330 millimeters. What that means is that if there's another product behind it on the conveyor belt and we're passing underneath, if this product is closer than this value plus your print delay to get you to the center of your package, the printer is still going to be busy with this print job and it's going to miss this print job. So let's say you had rework and somebody hand-fed something onto the conveyor closer than 330 millimeters, you're not going to get print. If you space it out past the 330 millimeters, the printer will be done with the print job and it's going to go ahead and print. So let's run an example to show this printing. And so we're going to go ahead and situate these boxes closer than 330 millimeters away. So you'll see here they're pretty close together, about 150 or less millimeters. So we're just going to go ahead and snap the cartridge into place. We're going to go ahead and run this test here. So as you can see, it's passed. We now have a perfect print. And here, you have no print at all. And the reason for this was that, again, the products were too close together on that signal, so you actually are still print busy while this one passed in front of the photocell. So now let's show what happens when we space them out. So if we feed this box down and we wait, we're going to get a good print here, and we feed it down again and we're going to get another good print because the printer had time in between and it was not still in its print busy phase. You can see what happens if the products, again, are too close together when you have this much distance. So if you're going to have products that are basically back to back like this on a conveyor, you're going to want to have an external photo eye directly in line with the print cartridge nozzles, and that's going to make it so you can basically have a 0 or 1 or 2 millimeter delay while you're printing, so you can run at high speeds with product that's back to back.